Adele's apparently had enough of Hollywood's shiny distractions. And who could blame her? After rocking a successful Vegas residency and getting engaged to Rich Paul, the British superstar is now eyeing a return to her roots. The singer, who's been living it up in her $58 million Beverly Hills mansion, is house hunting for a beautiful and secure home back in the UK, planning to split her time between both coasts. Despite her fiancé trying to talk her out of it, Adele's not backing down. Once she's made up her mind, no one can change it, a source says. And it seems like her flirtation with Hollywood didn't quite work out as planned. After expressing interest in acting, she was met with radio silence. Guess Hollywood isn't ready for Adele's Oscar-worthy talent just yet. But don't worry, Adele's still going strong in the love department. Just recently, she confirmed her engagement to Paul, showing off her sparkler during a live performance. As for the next chapter, it looks like she's packing up and heading home, but not before a few more rounds of Vegas glam. My name is Tamika. Thank you for watching. Until next time, ciao ciao, my fabulous peeps.